Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makiva for the ones that don't know, and if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button down below and subscribe. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to the people that have not been here before. Today I have a Coach Outlet unboxing for you guys and I'm super freaking excited. I get excited every time I get something in the mail. I'm starting to believe that it's just a big rush or something because I get super excited and I've had a lot of things coming in, but the Coach Outlet just has my heart right now. And when I seen this collection online, I wanted it so freaking bad. And I tried to talk myself out of it. But when I seen that 20% off sale, I was like, to the heck with it. And I went ahead and purchased 4 items. And I got them in 3 different shipments. And so I'm about to go ahead and get into this unboxing. And I'm going to start with the smaller items first. And I'm going to lead it up to the biggest item at the end. And y'all, I'm so freaking excited. Y'all, I don't know what I get more excited about my Coach Outlet unboxings than I do like luxury unboxing. Is that weird? And I do like the luxury stuff too. It's just, I don't know. Maybe it's because I know with the luxury stuff, I'm gonna be more careful and protective of it versus this. I feel like I'm just so ready to get into it. Y'all, I definitely picked the wrong thing to open this up with. Super excited. And y'all, I have been watching this show on Netflix called The Circle, and it has me in a freaking chokehold. If y'all have not seen it, get on there and watch it, y'all. It is so crazy. It is so freaking good. Y'all have to get on there. Okay, you guys. So, okay, the first item is a passport case, y'all. And currently I do not have a passport, but this is a manifestation moment, you guys. I want to get one and I do want to travel one day. I really do. And when I seen this online, I had to get it. You guys, look at that. How freaking cute. It's that C for me. The C is what really sold it for me. And right now, this passport case is sold out. So I'm so happy that I got it when I did. And it's just got the care cards in it. I think I'm just going to keep everything in this because I'm not going to use this until it's time. But you guys, that is so nice. And the leather is so freaking smooth. I'm in love. And y'all, this is like a real manifestation moment. That's something that I really want to do. So I'm gonna do it, y'all. I will one day. Hopefully one day soon. Because I really want to travel. I really do. I'm kind of nervous about hopping on a plane, but for the sake of me really wanting to go, I think I'll make it happen. Who's to say? It might be 2023, might be 2024, I don't know, but I have my passport case whenever I'm ready, and I'm getting prepared because you never know what the future holds. And you only live once, and if you really want to do something, do it while you still can, because baby, we do not know the time or the hour. And that is so true. With everything going on in the world, you just never know. Now this is the large wristlet, y'all. Oh my God. I am loving this. I'm loving this so much, y'all. Look at that. And then like this Manhattan patch has like the sparkly gold on it. I hope y'all can see that. Y'all, this is so nice. And again, I am in love with this C patch, y'all. I wish they would have had like a wristlet or something with like Coach spelled out in that font and like that patch. Like, that's just too freaking cute. And the handle is black leather. Y'all, this is so nice. I'm living right now. This is the inside, a beautiful oxblood color, and it's got 2 card cases on the inside. This is so nice, and this is my very first large Coach wristlet. I have a small Coach wristlet, and I did an unboxing on that, and that is the Maleficent wristlet from the Disney Villains collection. This is nice. I'm living, y'all. And then I was just like, I don't know. I think Coach has a little bit of something for everybody, because some of their collections I'm just not interested in. Like, I remember when they had that Coach Creatures collection, I was just like, I didn't like that. But this right here, y'all, I ordered 4 items. I think that's the most I've ever ordered from Coach at one time. Like, and especially a collection. Like, I've never done that. They have me in a real chokehold, and I'm super freaking happy. Y'all, this makes me so happy. Okay, for the next unboxing. Okay, whenever I first went on there to get these 2 items, I first did not see this item. So first I bought these 2 items plus this item. This was all one order, but they sent it in 2 different packages. And then I went back and got this because I did not see it the very first time. I don't know if I was just scrolling so fast, but I remember seeing a picture of it on the website. And I remember saying, I wish I could have got this when they had it. And apparently they had it. I just didn't see it. I don't know what I had going on. I really hate opening these things because that stuff is about to fly everywhere. I don't even want to do it. See? I don't know what it is. Ooh! I hate those things. Okay. I'm about to drop it. You guys, this is oh my freaking god! This is the 3rd item, and it is so much bigger than what I thought it was going to freaking be. I was thinking it was gonna be like super freaking little, and now I'm even more excited because it's like the perfect freaking size. Because I was telling myself, look at me just rambling on. That's how excited I am. I was telling myself that I needed like an everyday bag. Y'all, at this point, I don't need an everyday bag. I have 1,000 everyday bags, but I had to have it. And I was really wanting it to be the regular Jamie bag, but it's the mini. And I was like, dang, that's gonna be too small. But you guys, I think that this beautiful bag is perfect. Look how cute. And then she's got the leather up here, y'all, and she has the detachable straps, and she has the hang tag. Speaking of detachable straps, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because baby, I'm keeping this one. I am here for this collection, y'all. This video might be 15 minutes long just because I can't stop talking about it. Look! Okay, and pink is my favorite color for the people that do not know. Y'all, look at this beautiful freaking strap. So nice. And yes, it is adjustable. And that's one thing I love about Coach, because I am a BBW baby. I'm a plus size lady. And these straps fit me perfectly whenever I adjust them. Although this will be my first time getting this strap, so I guess we will see. But if it's anything like the other straps that they have, I'm pretty sure it'll be perfect. You guys, oh my God. I am here for this. I'm so here for it. And again, the inside of this is the oxblood color. It has a pocket on this side, and then it has 2 card slots on that side. I don't know if you guys can see that, y'all. How freaking cute is this, y'all? I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy right now. And it's way bigger than what I thought. It is still pretty small, but it is still bigger than what I thought that it was going to be. So freaking cute. Yo, look at this. I cannot. I'm just adjusting it right now. Y'all, this is too cute. Oh my God. I'm in love. And if I have not mentioned it already, this is the Coach Outlet Ski Collection. You guys, I'm loving every single piece that I'm pulling out. I'm so in love. Okay, here is the very last item, you guys. And this was what made me just jump on the whole wagon train of the ski collection. Because when I seen this bag, I was just like, that is it. That's the one. That I don't have a court backpack. This is a court backpack, my very first one. I don't have like just the small backpack. So this is my first one, and it caught my eye, and I was in love. So freaking in love with it. Like, I can go, I love to take my kids to like amusement parks every year. Last year we went to the Peppa Pig theme park in Florida, and the year before that I took my son to Disney World. I just love to go places and do things, and this gave me an excuse to buy it. Like, I'm like, I don't really need a backpack for that, but and the reason I say I don't need a backpack for that is simply because I usually take a stroller and I just put all our stuff under the stroller. But I have a reason to carry one now. Y'all, look at me about to drop it. This is so pretty. This is so cute. And it's like, it's not a mini backpack, but it's not a large backpack either. It's like just freaking right. It's just perfect, y'all. Oh my God. And again, with the beautiful sea. Y'all, I just cannot get over this freaking beautiful collection. I'm always doing this just in case I want to do like a thumbnail. But this is nice. Look at, there's got the leather right there. I almost don't even want to take the stuffing out of it. It's just so nice, y'all. I cannot. So this is the thinner compartment in the back. And it has the oxblood color in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It goes pretty deep. It's so nice. This is the thicker compartment right here in the front. And it has a zipper compartment and the back, and then 2 pouches. There's a zipper compartment. And then the 2 pouches right there on the front, y'all. And I did not notice it online, but the little trim around the ski is like a glittery silver color. Oh my God, this is cute. This is the one, y'all. She is it. She is her. I don't even want to take the stuff off because I know I'm not going to use it right now, and I'm just going to store it somewhere for when I get ready to use it. I might take this baby back to work with me. And it's got the leather at the bottom. You guys, drop the comments down below and tell me what you guys think about this Coach ski collection. I am living, y'all. I'm in love with this. I am so in love. Yes. And look, the wristlet can fit right on in there. Like, oh, this is just, it's too much. I can't handle it. It's just too much. This is just, I'm so happy I got this collection. I am. And I don't care if it's like too juvenile looking. I love it. I freaking love it. But anyways, thank you. Blah, blah, blah. Here I go again. I cannot talk for whatever reason. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. And thanks for all the support, the love, the comments, the likes. And thank you to my subscribers that are always here and that always comment. I love you guys, and I see y'all, and I love the support, and I really appreciate it. And for the ones that have not subscribed, go ahead and please hit that button down below and subscribe. Join this family. Become one of my cousins. Because at this point, I consider y'all family because y'all been rocking with me. Like, this is my very first time, like, ever doing something like this, and I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye.